It's done powder coated. Just look at this right. I already scratched it. Damn it. Trying to put it back on there, but I'm gonna take it to the machine shop. It's candy purple, bro. Candy. Country, baby. Yeah, the browser's been off road.